our channel Pyramid Times. Myself Veena Survu, alternative healer and also creative director at Pyramid Times. Today we have a wonderful guest with us, Nitya Chalam. She is a shamanic facilitator and also alternative healer. She counsels and coaches people in various walks of life. She is the founder of Chalam Healing Center, and today our topic is shamanic healing.
Hi Veena, thank you for inviting me first. Yeah, shamanic healing is one of the ancient healing modalities. It precedes the times of Earth itself. It is based on the spirit of the earth giving you information to evolve. So from caveman days, it is said that cavemen used to close their eyes and get into a trance. And when they were in a trance, they will be shown how to make wheels, how to draw on the caves, how to paint, how to hunt. Because these are things that the human species learned and evolved. And it was very necessary for the evolution of the species. So for you to evolve into a better version, and I use the word evolve, not improve. Evolve means you can become something totally different, which is the truth of you, not just a better version of yourself. So if you would like to evolve from that seed, and you know beautiful seeds that are so small, but when they break, a beautiful plant comes and that can give so generously to everyone around you. So if you would like to evolve from that seed, break your limitations and become something so much better. Shamanic healing is a way where spirit gives you the guidance. And when I say spirit, it's the spirit of Mother Earth. So it's full of beautiful animal spirit guides, it's full of beautiful plant spirit guides, so many things in this beautiful magical world which is beyond our imagination, which will guide you to change your life. And it starts by finding your primary animal guide when you first visit the shamanic world. And my primary animal guide is a wolf. So from a wolf, I learned a lot about myself, that I am a leader. I like to be in packs. I am very intuitive, very intelligent, can make my way through the forest. I love being in packs. Can be alone also. A wolf can be alone by itself, doesn't matter, can be in a pack. So I learned a lot about myself and how I can be alert like a wolf. So many things to learn from your guide and heal. And when you say healing, we can get out of pain, we can get out of problems, we can change our whole physical reality by figuring out what is happening in the spirit world. Because the spirit world tells you the cause. Today is just an effect. It's not actually the cause. The cause is somewhere in the past or is with someone else. Like the spirit world will tell you the cause of why this problem has happened, and you can change it, and you will see instant shifts in your present. And then you get amazing messages from your guides. My wolf keeps telling me something or the other daily, and that's the beauty of shamanic healing. Veena, would you like to talk about your guide too?
Yes, my spirit guide is Snake. After knowing, I was initially very doubting how these spirits would help us. But when I have joined this Nitya's course and knowing my spirit guide, it was very phenomenal. It is always there with me. It is like a friend guiding me through whatever the questions and whatever the situations I am going through. And it's so comforting that there is somebody there to protect us, guide us all the time, and that is easy to access and available anytime, anywhere. So that's the thing. And I have the messages that I get from Snake is also phenomenal. This shamanic healing also helped me to increase my abilities to know the answers, not only for my questions but also for other people's questions. Nitya, many people who have known shamanic healing in majorly in India, but there are very less trainers who teach shamanic healing. So what made you to choose shamanic healing?
Well,
When was the decision taken that you have to go in this direction?
I was in the search for the truth, and I had learned every modality under the sun. So if you see my profile, literally I am a facilitator for many other modalities like access consciousness, radical healing. I've studied hypnotherapy, past life regression. I've done theta healing. So and Reiki. I'm a Reiki grandmaster. So I've explored a lot of these healing modalities, and I was still looking for the truth. And I was looking for what does Earth mean. That's when shamanic healing drew me. And I also found someone who can teach me. So I traveled to US to get all this knowledge. And it was so amazing because I love animals, and the animals were the ones that prompted me to get there. I still love animals. I think they're the most amazing things, and we can learn how to be so present from animals. So one, the love of animals. Two, the knowing that I am much more than who I am today, and that want to become more of myself. So, what triggered me to learn this was to become more of myself. Now, shamanic healing is a very courageous healing. Not everyone chooses to learn this or walk this path, because you will be asked to face your fears, overcome them, and evolve. Remember, the seed has to break for something to evolve. So, it requires a lot of courage. And I just decided that I have to be the better version of myself. I would like to explore who I am. I would like to be more of myself. I would like to know what the animal world offers me. And that's what drew me to shamanic healing, and a love for earth, a love for nature. Because nature just tells you so many things, the winds, the waters. Now, for that connection to be there, you have to be so much more of yourself, so much present. So the love for nature, the presence, becoming more of myself, this is what drew me. And it has been one of the best choices I've made in my life. It's given me back so much, Veena, so much. Thank you so
Yes,
much for
yes.
asking that question.
Yeah, even when I came to the shamanic for the first time, I didn't know what the other species, what the animal species, how I connected, how I can connect to animals or plants. But once after going through the course, there is an immense gratitude for all their contribution of the animals and plants. And also I could feel that oneness, the connection all the time.
Yes,
Uh,
that is so amazing.
yeah, so my sense of feeling that I'm only a physical body has gone up, and I could sense everything in my own consciousness. That's a phenomenal thing that has happened to me. And so, why should people choose shamanic healing? How could they help? How could it help in their own lives? Who all can join for this kind of shamanic healing courses?
This is for the courageous people, people who would love to find about themselves, first of all, who would like to evolve, who are willing to go on this journey of becoming more of themselves, the best version of themselves, who are willing to work with spirit guides to see something beyond the physical world, something that is so magical, that is not something that's even perceived in this reality, something beyond your imagination. So, courageous, becoming so much more of yourself, looking at increasing your psychic abilities. And actually, the biggest draw should be the truth. If you really want to know, this world is just not a physical world, there's so many truths to it. And they're not even hidden, they're just accessible if you're willing to go there. So, if you're willing to see the truth of and the beauty and the majesty of what the spirit world can offer to you, and how that can impact the physical world too. So it's a journey of truth. It's a journey of awareness. Your awareness increases so much that you get to know what people are thinking about you. And why is it a journey for the courageous? Because the truth is not very comfortable all the time, is it? The truth is the truth. So it's priceless and worth it. So my search is always the search for the truth. And when you know it's priceless and it comes to you, it is beyond anything else. So these are the people, seekers of truth, seekers of courage, seekers of becoming more of yourself, lovers of earth, animals. If you love animals, this is for you. These are the people who should choose this, and it'll be a calling. If you want to do shamanic healing, it would be a calling, and just want to break some myths. It is not something to be really afraid of, and it's not something that is bad or wrong. It is actually a very, very beautiful modality available on earth. They're just some myths that a lot of people fear shamanic healing for some reason, but it's the closest modality to the earth, because animals are on earth, and it gives you so much of earth energy beyond anything else. Yep. So that's about that.
That's so wonderful. So, how long would it take a person to get healed through shamanic?
The healing
Is it
itself,
fast, or is it it takes days together, or how does it work?
the healing itself can be done in 10 or 20 minutes. It's very powerful and fast. It takes around 1 or 2 weeks to for the whole energies to settle and for you to see that price is different. But the healing itself is very, very fast. It's just beautiful sounds of drums. With the sounds of drums, we don't actually do the work. Spirit does the work for you. So if you're really present, spirit will guide you as to what to do. And Meena, maybe you can talk about the changes happening.
Yes, always I have been willing to become a trainer and alternative therapist for the past almost 3 years, I guess. So I have been asking to show the signs and symbols, and the spirit animal, even snake, told me to learn Kundalini. yoga also. So whatever the messages I get, I went and indulged in all these kind of courses. After that, many things have changed for me in my life as well. I kept attracting all the reality that I always ever wanted. That is the thing that I would relish and desire to have in my own life. And so can you tell me also your clients how they got benefited, even for people that who doesn't know shamanic, how it has created a change in their own life?
Sure. So some of my clients have had amazing results. So there was one person with a 20-year-old back pain, which I was able to do some advanced shamanic healing, kind of massage, which I had learned completely from the spirit world, from my deity who's called the Green Man, and he's the god of the trees. She was able to do that, and she's given me a testimonial which I can probably forward. Uh, that bone, which was paining for 20 years, just stopped paining in a matter of 5 minutes, and the pain has never come back. This is from my clients, and from my students. They have seen such a difference in the presence. Now if they think something, it just happens because your presence is so high, and they've seen amazing stuff like someone drowning in a shamanic journey. And then when we come and ask the client, he says, yes, I did drown when I was 3, and if my uncle did not save me, I wouldn't have been alive. So spirit gives you so much psychic information that is so accurate and amazing. And otherwise, they don't know the other person. My participants don't know who the other person is and what their history is, but you just get to see amazing, amazing stuff. And there's a technique called soul retrieval where, any of your soul, if it's lost, you feel so much less of yourself, and you're always lost because part of you had a trauma that was so traumatic, and only part of your soul has left the body. So you're very much alive, but you're just not fully alive and present. So after doing a soul retrieval for one of my clients, they became so much better. Their pain completely disappeared. This pain, which was on and off, which was not going from any other technique, it just went off when I retrieved a soul of his, which had an accident at 15 years old. So usually when we have accidents, soul loss happens. And in ways it's magical because now your body pain goes, your presence increases, and it gives you so many benefits. Even money. Some people have worked with the animal guide called the fox, and when you ask the fox to give you money, there've been many of my participants who've just increased their money flows. All of it is possible because the spirit world will tell us what is the truth or what is the block that we have to work on. And once we finish removing those blocks, you can see amazing changes even in the physical world. It's an art of manifesting what you see in a magical spirit world into the physical world. That's the power of shamanic healing.
Even in my own experiences, I have seen with my own clients that their businesses started moving. They always wanted certain percent of income that they should generate out of the business, or the properties that they have to get from the ancestors. They were fighting for it and things got resolved. And also
Wow.
in terms of health also, they were struggling with whatever they were saying, my energy is getting drained every day and I'm not able to enjoy this life. Or even sometimes people with suicidal tendencies, they came to me and they got enriched by this wisdom and also the healing that is being done to those people. And it's, I still myself wonder how it is creating the changes to all these people. Maybe it is the spirit guiding them and guiding us as a practitioners and facilitators to create a greater change for ourselves and to the planet on the whole.
Yes, spirit will guide you to evolution, and when you get to the truth, because spirit always tells you the truth, you're at the root cause, and when the cause is addressed, the effect instantly changes. Otherwise, what we're trying to address is an effect, not the cause. The pain is just the effect. The cause is something else. So we just try to address the pain with medicines and different things, but you never got to the cause of it was because of a soul loss. So these are the wonderful, amazing things that the spirit world can help us evolve, get better, make life easier and better. And I personally love doing shamanic trainings, and you guys can contact me if you would like more
So how
information.
long it takes to learn the shamanic course?
So to find your primary animal guide, it can be done within 3 hours or so with drumming, and I have a course in Udemy for it. But if you want to train to be a healer, I run a 6 months program. Now we don't have to get frightened and think that you have to be available for 6 months. No, it's only around 2 half days per month. So you just have to give 2 of your half days to me and learn amazing techniques like cord release, talking to trees, soul retrieval, so much more. And once you learn those techniques, your psychic abilities will improve, and you can use it for yourself equally well as using it for others. So, and the reason the program is spaced out as 6 months is it takes time for the transformation to happen, for the evolution to happen. So we give time for the energies to settle and the body to adapt to these changes and be present.
Yeah, that's so phenomenal. I don't have words, the kind of thing that has created after doing the shamanic course. It's
Thank
so,
you.
so beautiful. My abilities have significantly increased. Even though I have been doing this angelic reading and all these things, I went to Nitya for this purpose of gaining the psychic abilities and intuition powers. But after doing the shamanic, I'm able to read the other person's just like a book, even though
Wow.
they are not mentioning what they are underwent through their life or they what they want in the future. So it was truly phenomenal, and it even motivates me to pursue it further and take it to the people more and more. That is
Thank you
so.
so much, Veena.
Thank
That
you
is
so
so,
much,
so
Nitya.
lovely of you.
Yes. So whoever is willing to learn or undergo an experience of shamanic healing can definitely get in touch with us, Pyramid Times or even Nitya. You can directly contact to her. All this information will be available in the description below. Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you, Veena. And I would like to thank Pyramid Times platform for giving me this opportunity. Please do subscribe to their channel, Pyramid Times. Thank you so much, Veena.
And you
And
can like, share this video and also comment.
yeah, that would
Thank you
be
so
lovely.
much.
Okay, see you guys. Thank you.
See you all.
Bye-bye.
We'll be coming up with a new speaker for the next session. Thank you.
Thank you.